Officers are attempting to stop a vehicle involved in a high-speed chase. Units are to clear low priority calls. Stand by for further orders. Suspect vehicle is a silver Porsche.
He's not compliant. I'm going to try to 1045. Startup cover dispatch. At 1044 to that request, I need some heavies back up here.
Roger that, Bravo 2-1. Your heavy has detailed and is a couple minutes away.
Bravo 3-2. You're at behind unit 23. Catch her now. Yeah, cancel that. I got it. Still code 3.
Pursuit, see if you can hurt him to the left. We have laid down some spikes for him.
Vehicle's gone. She's lost. Set up containment.
Cover units be advised. Suspect was last seen westbound past Heritage Heights. Call us still code 6. Switch over to tab 2 for quadrant setup. Members are advised to reference their screens for GPS positions.
Dispatch, this is Charlie 2-4, closing in from the southeast of code 6. Acknowledge quadrant request.
Dispatch 2 Echo 12, we're moving the quadrant. We're going to focus on the north side of his last known 20.